Today we are going to make spinach rice with Spicytude Rice Pilaf Spice mix. To start, we'll chop our spinach and our cilantro. Slit the green chillies and slice your onion and garlic. Place the pot over medium heat. Add some oil and sear the spices. After a few seconds, add your onion, garlic, green chillies and saute until they are golden brown. Add your spinach and cilantro and cook for 2 minutes. Once the spinach looks cooked, add water, rice, salt and let it come to a boil. Once the water evaporates, cover it and cook it for a few more minutes on a lower flame. Turn off the flame, add ghee and the rice is ready to serve. Thanks for watching.